Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the first step of agricultural practice, preparation of soil. Cultivation of crops involve several activities over a period of time. These activities are referred to as agricultural practices. Some of them are ploughing, that is, loosening the soil; sowing, putting the seeds in the soil; adding manure and fertilizer to increase the fertility of the soil. Irrigation means watering the crops at regular interval. Protection from weeds. The weeds which grow with the crops are removed as they compete with the crop for nutrients. Harvesting means cutting the mature crop. And the last one is storage. The grains produced are stored for future use. Today we are going to discuss the first step, preparation of soil. What does this mean? Here you can see a dry field. If the farmer sow the seed in this dry and hard soil, they will not germinate. So the farmer has to loosen the soil. This process of loosening and turning of the soil is called ploughing or tilling. The tools which are used for ploughing or tilling are plough, hoe and cultivator. Plough. This is being used since ancient times for tilling the soil, adding fertilizers to the crop, removing the weeds, scraping the soil, etc. This is either made of wood or iron and is drawn by animals like bulls, camels, etc. It contains a strong triangular iron strip called ploughshare. The main part of the plough is a long rod of wood which is called plough shaft. Hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent plate of iron is fixed to one of its ends and works like a blade. It is also pulled by animals. Cultivator. Nowadays, ploughing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves labor and time, as a single tractor can plough large area in short time. Let us now discuss the importance of this step. Loosening the soil helps the roots of the plants to penetrate deep into the soil. It also helps the roots of the plants to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Turning and loosening the soil brings the nutrient-rich soil to the top, which helps in the growth of the crops. Loosening of the soil also helps in the growth of earthworms and microbes. These are called the friends of the farmers, since they further turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. As you can see, the ploughed field may have big pieces of soil. These are called crumbs. It is necessary to break these crumbs with a plank. The field is labeled for sowing as well as for irrigation purpose. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of leveler. Sometimes manure is added to the soil before tilling. This helps in proper mixing of the manure with soil. After ploughing and leveling, the field is ready for the second agricultural practice of sowing.